everyone. Thank you for your interest in learning more about the PATH curriculum. In this video, I'm going to cover two very important aspects of our curriculum, the Quickstart and the videos. I'd like to stress the importance of the PATH curriculum's ease in planning and navigation, as well as the depth of content through engaging impact videos and other short clips used as instructional hooks. Let's start with navigating our curriculum depth in the easiest way possible. Through our online platform, Teachable, the instructor may download full content of all of our lessons by scrolling like this to the final item within each lesson menu, and then print, if you prefer, the access to all content in a more textbook format. Each lesson could be placed in a binder, and the instructor can pull out handouts for photocopying or access directions and visual examples like a manual or workbook. However, in these electronic times, many teachers will utilize the easy access to the PATH curriculum's 6 in-depth lessons with a time-saving option called Quickstart. This feature allows the instructor to click like this to open to the essentials for the traditional yet easy to follow lesson plan. Here, I have clicked in Lesson 3 to reveal a left margin of headings and a right column of essential information to begin Lesson 3, like learning targets and objectives, materials needed to launch this lesson with the students, and instructional sequence and strategies for the day or days that you intend to spend on that part of the PATH curriculum. Every item necessary in the delivery of this lesson is highlighted and linked for you in the lesson plan Quickstart document. That includes videos, handouts, exit surveys, all the components requiring links for you to open. Another look at our platform's menu, however, shows other fine features for teacher planning. For example, you will want to preview videos before showing them to your students. To save time, click here. Lesson 3 shares a YouTube link to the popular movie trailer Inside Out, a fun way to hook your students in our PATH lesson around attitude and the 5 basic human emotions, which are fundamentals in mental and emotional health education. Every lesson incorporates one or more video selections, sometimes engaging movie trailers like this one. Others are impact videos created by my team, some including students or special guests, with Lesson 1 being a bit longer than the others because I share my story and my own personal challenge from some very dark days following my accident to the resiliency I've gained through PATH. The menu button will allow you to preview each video, and then later click on it quickly without having to scroll through the Quickstart content when you want to queue it up on your classroom screen for group viewing. A quick click on the videos for Lesson 5 show you the many options you have, with the first 2 for this very serious lesson on suicide awareness recommended as must-see. Number 1 is the CDC's brief overview defining suicide, and 2 is my in-depth interview with Logan's mom. Hopefully you have read on my website that Logan, who tragically died by suicide at age 14, is our inspiration for the entire PATH curriculum. Other links here will deepen this lesson if you have multiple days to spend on Lesson 5. Bonus material like this is embedded throughout the entire PATH curriculum. We know that you will find the Quickstart feature a true time saver in navigating and preparing your PATH lessons. And we are certain that the variety of videos will inform, stimulate thought and discussion, and have lasting impact for your students. Thanks for watching, and look for our next instructional video on the PATH curriculum special feature, the exit survey.